Welcome back. Cybercrime is at an all-time high. Criminals are targeting big companies, and they're also coming after your money and personal information.
That's right, and you might be going on vacation soon, which could make you a pretty easy target. But there's some steps you can take to help protect your personal data from thieves. We've got tech expert Burton Kelso joining us this morning to show you how. Good morning, Burton.
Good morning. How are you guys doing?
We're great. Thanks for joining us. So everybody, or most of us, we're booking those vacations right now, and it can be so easy to go to the wrong website. You say that we need to make sure those websites are secure, right?
Exactly. You need to make sure when you visit a website that it's got HTTPS in the URL or in the address bar to make sure that that website is safe and secure. If you don't see HTTPS, then you don't want to book your travel from that website.
And obviously passwords, PIN numbers on the tech you carry with you. How important is that? And then also we're talking about multi-factor authorization now, needing 2 forms to get into your accounts.
Right. Now, if you carry any tech device on vacation, you definitely need to make sure it's password protected. If it's not, just think what happens if you lose your smartphone or your laptop. Your life is in the hands of a cyber criminal. So make sure you password protect those devices and make sure that you keep them close to you so they don't get stolen.
And as you say, keep them close to you when you're traveling out and about. Even if you're having fun, you should take the time to actually take a look at those financial accounts while you're traveling.
Exactly. You want to, I know most people log into their online accounts to check balances, but especially when you travel, you want to make sure that you know what transactions are happening on your financial accounts. You want to look for fraudulent activity, and if you see it, report it immediately.
So, Burton, we know there are 7 methods you're telling us about this morning. Can you give us the rest?
Yes, I sure can. Number 4 is you want to make sure that you don't use public computers for anything. If you're tempted to use the hotel computer, don't do it. You can risk leaving yourself logged in, and a criminal can get your information. Number 5 is you want to make sure that you avoid connecting to Wi-Fi networks, especially if you're doing financial transactions. You never know if the connection to the Wi-Fi network is secure or not. Number 6 is to make sure that you turn Bluetooth off on all of your devices. It is slim, but cyber criminals can get into your devices and get your information. And finally, when you're traveling, make sure that you don't leave your devices in your hotel room. Put them in a hotel safe. You never know if you have a shady housekeeper that may steal those devices and take them and get your information.
Yeah, definitely good tips when you're out there vacationing and having fun. It's always important to keep your data safe, too. All right, Burton Kelso, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you, guys. Have a good one.